What habits make a relationship successful? Ever pondered upon this question? Let's take a journey together as we delve into the heart of what makes any relationship truly flourish. The fruit of over 20 years of experience working with countless couples has yielded 4 cornerstone habits. These are not just for the lucky few, they are skills that anyone can learn and cultivate. So buckle up and get ready for an enlightening journey. Let's explore these habits that can transform relationships from surviving to thriving. Habit number 1, be curious, not critical. Now this is a significant one. You see, the root of many relationship hiccups is unmet expectations. And this is where being curious rather than critical can be a real game changer. It's about shifting your perspective from judging differences to understanding and appreciating them. Let's take a trip down memory lane. In the early stages of any relationship, it's quite common to have clashes over different work styles and expectations. But what if we told you that by choosing curiosity over criticism, you could see these differences as strengths rather than sources of frustration? That's right, it's all about perspective. This shift in mindset can help you navigate the choppy seas of unmet expectations with grace and understanding. So let's make a pact, shall we? From here on out, let's commit to being curious and not critical. Remember, understanding and appreciating differences can navigate the rough waters of unmet expectations. Habit number 2, be careful, not crushing. Now this one is all about conflict. Let's face it, even the most harmonious relationships encounter bumps on the road. The crucial part is not avoiding these conflicts, but handling them with care and respect. It's like diffusing a bomb. One wrong move and everything could explode. Now imagine that bomb is your relationship. You wouldn't want to set it off, would you? So we need to reprogram our instinctual fight or flight responses to favor nurturing over dominating. It's about setting some ground rules for conflict, like never threatening to end things out of spite or storming out in a huff. These rules, they're like a safety net, catching you when you're about to fall into the trap of crushing each other's spirits. They ensure that even in the heat of a disagreement, you're maintaining a level of care and respect that strengthens, rather than weakens your bond. Even in disagreements, maintaining a level of care and respect strengthens the bond. Habit number 3, ask, don't assume. How many times have we let assumptions guide our actions in a relationship, only to realize later that we were off the mark? This habit is all about fostering open and honest communication. Assumptions and unvoiced expectations are like silent termites, gnawing away at the foundation of trust and respect in a relationship. But there's an antidote to this: asking. Let's take the story of Rachel and Steve. Their relationship was a roller coaster of emotions, marred by unspoken expectations and assumptions. The turning point came when they decided to ask rather than assume. They started engaging in dialogue, asking questions, and voicing their expectations. This open communication allowed them to address and resolve their underlying issues, and their relationship went from strained to thriving. Remember, open and honest communication helps address and resolve underlying issues. Habit number 4, connect before you correct. Now, here's the deal. We all have an innate tendency to spot the things that need fixing, right? In relationships, it's easy to get caught up in this fix-it mode, where we're constantly pointing out what our partner could do better. But here's a thought. What if instead, we focused on connecting before we correct? Let's say you appreciate your partner's efforts in making dinner, even if it wasn't exactly Michelin star quality. You connect, express your appreciation, and then perhaps suggest a little less salt next time. This approach ensures that your partner feels valued and not just a project that needs correcting. And this is important because feeling valued lays the foundation for healthy, constructive communication. It's like a magic trick that can transform the whole dynamic of a relationship. Emphasizing connection and expressing genuine appreciation can dramatically shift the dynamic of a relationship. In conclusion, these 4 habits are more than just strategies for relationship maintenance. Being curious rather than critical, careful instead of crushing, asking instead of assuming, and connecting before correcting are cornerstones of successful relationships. They foster a deeper understanding, respect, and connection, transforming relationships from surviving to thriving. They are not just for couples, but for all of us in all our relationships. By adopting these habits, we are pointing the way toward a future where love, understanding, and mutual respect prevail. Thank you for watching Topics on Trend. Go ahead and check out another trending video on our channel here.